7 psychological cheat codes that make you hot without trying. Cheat code number 1, the loading screen pause. Speak like your words are buffering and they're worth the wait. You ever notice how people who don't say much suddenly become 10 times more interesting? It's because they use silence like punctuation. Here's what most people do. So I was just thinking that maybe if you're okay with it, we could, nobody wants to decode verbal spaghetti. Instead, speak like your thoughts are loading slowly. Pause before you answer. Pause after your punchline. Pause when someone finishes speaking before you respond. It feels confident, controlled, hot. Example, someone says, "So what do you do?" You smile, pause, then say, "A bit of everything, but mostly I study people." Cheat code number 2, background, main character energy. You don't chase attention, but attention drifts to you. Let's be honest. I used to walk into rooms like I was asking for permission to exist. Hunched shoulders, apologetic smile, desperately scanning the crowd for someone who might tolerate me. Now, I move like the main character, but the quiet one in the background who gets his own spin-off. The key is this: don't enter a room to be seen. Enter it like you're already known. Slow movements, calm breathing, no fidgeting like you're in a Red Bull commercial. Example, walk into a room like you're arriving at your own Netflix series. Not flashy, not loud, just cool, collected, and so internally grounded people feel weird for not knowing who you are. Number 3, installed attraction bias. Assume they already like you because, duh. This one changed the game for me. I used to walk into conversations like I needed to earn someone's interest, like I had to build attraction point by point, like I was doing emotional algebra. Then I discovered this cheat code. Just act like they're already into you. Not in a cocky, I'm God's gift way. In a calm, relaxed, you already see me that way vibe. It changes your body language, your tone, your micro expressions. You become less reactive, more playful, magnetic. Example, she looks at you. Instead of freaking out and thinking, "Oh God, she's looking. Is there something in my teeth? What do I do with my hands?" You think, "Of course she looked. Now don't mess it up." Number 4, the smirk upload delay. Smile, like your face is processing a secret. Attractive people don't grin at everything like over-caffeinated golden retrievers. They use the smirk, the soft launch of a smile. Here's how it works. When something funny happens, don't instantly break into a full-face grin. Wait, let your lips twitch, smirk, then smile. It's controlled, unpredictable, charming. Example, she tells a joke. Everyone laughs immediately. You pause, let it settle, then smile like you just got the punchline 2 seconds later. But better, that delay says, "I'm in my own rhythm. I smile because I want to, not because I need you to like me." Number 5, tri-eye lock sequence. Left eye, right eye, lips, back to eyes. You want real psychological tension? This is your weapon. Most people either avoid eye contact or go full psychopath and forget to blink. The tri-eye lock is subtle, hypnotic, dangerous. Start by locking on one eye, then drift slowly to the other, then drop to their lips, then return to their eyes. It's not sexual, it's intentional. Example, use it while saying something totally normal. "Yeah, I like bookstores." But your eyes, they're telling a completely different story. Number 6, strategic disappearance. Leave before they get used to you. Let me explain this with a painful flashback. I once stayed at a party 2 hours longer than I should have. Why? Because I was finally getting attention. I milked it. And then the vibe died. I started getting, "Oh, you're still here?" energy. Never again. Leave while your energy is still rising. Don't wait until you've run out of charm. Example, you're telling a story, people are vibing, and instead of stretching it out, you smile, say, "That's my cue to vanish before I ruin it," and you leave. Cheat code number 7, the unapologetic glitch. Do something weird. Smirk, own it, say nothing. This is your license to be human and still look cool. Attractive people don't try to be perfect. They just own their imperfections so hard, people start thinking it's intentional. Example, you trip slightly, don't gasp, don't explain. Just smirk and keep walking like gravity was wrong, not you. Voice crack, smile. Let it hang in the air like a badge. Say something weird by accident, repeat it, slower, like you meant it. Confidence isn't perfection, it's unbothered energy.